Welcome back, folks. Hope you enjoyed this latest compilation. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to help the channel grow. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Notice how the lady in the blue car doesn't even turn her head or check her mirror before initiating the lane change.
Friends footage from their GoPro. This is why you have mirrors. Friggin' use them before you indicate and pull out.
Looks like someone's trying to cut that turn just a little bit early. And they didn't bother to check if there was any oncoming traffic. Keep your eyes peeled and always make sure it's safe before turning.
Crossing the white divider line is not necessary for small trucks to make a turn.
Came across this car just outside of Delaware, and this thing's sticking out the back, I swear it's a coffin. Doesn't it look like a coffin here? Maybe I'll pass, I'm not sure.
I was just leaving Delaware, Ontario when I came upon this vehicle. As I got closer to it, I wondered if my eyes were playing tricks on me. When the opportunity arose, I had to go for the pass and see what it was for certain. Nope, my eyes were not deceiving me. Definitely rates right up there as one of the most unique rides that I have ever come across during my travels. An elderly driver in Durham, North Carolina ran a red light and almost hit me. When I honked the horn, he looked at me and it was obvious that he didn't know where I had come from. I don't think he had a clue that he had run a red light.
Slightly late reaction by our camera, but they were still able to avoid an accident. Kudos to Misconduct 2012. Always be aware of your surroundings. You never know when something unexpected may happen.
While waiting at the light, I looked in my mirror and this Mercedes came up behind me. By the way he stopped, I had an idea he was going to overtake me. When the light changed, it was just by luck that I looked in my mirror, as I had to brake when he came past me and sped off.
Why does everyone go right?
There's just a constant collection of people who don't get into the left turn lane at a proper point, and they use this plaza to turn around. This guy figured everyone is pulling into this vacant parking lot to turn around, so he can just block the lane until the other side clears.
Looks like someone forgot to use their mirrors. Left lane driver illegally cuts across in front of the camera and causes an accident. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow. And don't forget to leave a comment to let us know how we're doing. We welcome your feedback. Have a great day.